Hey y'all, welcome back. So, looks a little different in the background. Today I have got to get all this under control. So I had this company reach out to me and they sent me a bunch of these cool makeup rotating like makeup organizers to try out for y'all in today's video. And if we like them, I'll definitely throw the link for y'all to shop and grab you some so you can organize your makeup. Or I mean, they could be used in the bathroom, they could be used for lots of things, but I'm just going to use them for my makeup because I mean, out of control. Once again, I have let it get just out of control. So I will throw the link in there. I'll probably throw it up here as well as down in the description. That's the name of the company and you can shop it. It's available on Amazon, so you can shop it through my Amazon link. Okay, let's go ahead and tackle all this crazy mess. Okay, so I am sitting in the floor because we're gonna put these things together. So we're gonna see how complicated they are. Hopefully not very, but I enjoy putting stuff together. So I'm one of those weird people that actually likes doing it. Like, I will fight you to put something together. We'll start with the big one. So this is the first one. We'll start with this one. So, all right, so it looks like we've got, oops, this is the first thing we've got. And then these little things, this is kind of nifty. You can put them anywhere you want. So you can take it out and put it here, or you can take it out all together, which is nice. So you can kind of customize it to what you need, what little size compartments you need. And then in the center, we've got, it looks like some sort of little hardware. I'm not sure yet. All right, we've got the bottom portion. Looks like we got some dividers, 4 dividers. Bottom portion that rotates. So cute. Okay. And I want to point out how well packaged this was, like with all the foam and plastic and everything. A lot of times this material is really easy to get cracked, and so far so good, no cracks. Okay, we got a little thank you note, which is always sweet, and then looks like instructions on the back, and there's pictures as well as instructions in English underneath. It's always nice to have pictures and words to go by. A lot of times you only get one or the other and then you gotta think too hard about it. And then we've got these 2 pieces, which I'm assuming are gonna like intersect like this. And then we'll put all our little shelves in. Not too many pieces, not too bad. All right, let's see. First step, the bottom tray that rotates. So step 2 basically is like what I showed you. You stick these together and then stick it into the tray like so. Easy enough so far, y'all. This is so easy. I don't even see any screws or anything. All that's in there is these little silicone rings, which I hadn't got to those yet, but all right. Then you just put this top tray directly on top in the little grooves. Super easy. So we take our little rubber rings here. Don't know if y'all can see, but on all of these little joints here, we're gonna put this rubber band. Okay, so it's like that, so it keeps it from coming back out of that hole. You just slide the rubber band over the top. Okay, we got one there. I'll move this. We got one here. And if y'all can hear hammering, I'm sorry. My neighbor's like building a barn in the backyard, so it's a little loud. So those are on. So if we flip this over, so these are the same thing. So we're gonna hook it around all these little things here. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's together. This is upside down, this is right side up. It's not coming apart, so that just keeps it from coming apart. Basically, that's it. Let me stick these back. Y'all, this is like thick. I mean thick, heavy duty. It's not cheap at all. Like, I can't even bend it. Like, it's real sturdy. So then basically you just customize your shelves to the height that you want. So like if you want one up here, just slides in, and then you'll put your little rings around the hooks in the back to keep it from moving. Super easy. So you can adjust the height depending on what you're gonna put in it. Y'all, this is so cool. All right, so like I said, I don't know what I'm putting on this yet, but y'all, that was so easy to put together. Like, So easy. Let's move on to our second little organizer that they sent us. Ow. Okay, so this basically looks like pretty much the same thing, only a smaller version. Yeah, this is pretty much identical to the other one, except it's smaller. And then it does have these slots at the top, so like you could put a little shelf here, and then that way you could stick like makeup brushes or eyeliners or lip liners or lipsticks, whatever, up here in that. And then of course you got your shelves. So just as a size comparison, pretty similar, but this one is just a little bit bigger than this one. Not much though. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to organizing all this makeup back here, and then I will show y'all how I organized with these things, and I'll show y'all the finished result. All right, y'all, so I just finished. It's late, my family's going nuts, but I'm gonna show y'all the finished result real quick. So here is the finished clean vanity. It looks so much better. I actually really love these rotating things. So like I said, I'll put the link in here. Y'all can go grab these from Amazon. But they hold so much more. My lip liners all fit in this little middle compartment, and I actually was able to fit all of my lipstick, every single lipstick I own, and lip gloss, everything in this one thing. So yeah, love these things. Over here in this one, I've got all my eyeliners, mascaras, there's some lashes, and then I do have a few of my like liquid eyeshadow products in here too, and some tools and stuff. But y'all, these things are so much better. I got some stuff over here that I gotta get rid of, but these little lipstick holders, they're nothing like this. Like, this works so much better and takes up less space on my desk anyways. So that is finished result, y'all, and I'm so happy it's done, but it looks so good. Don't forget to go grab some of these things because they're awesome. All right, that's it for today's video, or tonight, since it's literally dark outside now. It took me that long. I hope y'all liked it. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Y'all don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.